FreeReels Data Export Guide: How to download profile info from FreeReels. Now, if you want to download all of your profile info from FreeReels app, the FreeReels, which is the drama and reel app, does not directly feature an automated self-service data export tool or a direct download profile info button. If you want to view or obtain a copy of your personal data, watch history or profile details like your nickname and avatar, you must check your account settings inside the app. To do that, you can open up the app and tap on the profile icon from the bottom right. Over here, you can find all of your watch history at the top, followed by your wallet balance, any of the download settings, all of your personal preferences and inbox manually, but you cannot go ahead and then download any profile info from FreeReels manually in this case. But to give you an idea, this is how you can get your data exported and how you can at least view them. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.